So here we have the Volkswagen Passat R-Line on a 70 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of it first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the key or from the tailgate itself. As we then approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with those 3 individually folding rear seats should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. But now that we've done a full circle, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. We have the speedometer and fuel gauge on the right-hand side. In the centre, you can see the total mass of this car. They are 59,969. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change that information for various different things. We're on the driving data menu at the moment, but there are other menus available to you as well, and you can see me cycling through those now, and that's all done using the buttons just here. We've also got our stereo controls over there, which continue on the left-hand side, along with cruise control. Once you set cruise control, hit this button here. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically, depending on the car in front speed. And then over in the centre, we have the main touchscreen for the car, which, as you can see, includes satellite navigation. Really nice, clear colour display. Very easy system to use. When it comes to music, we have the radio, first of all. In the bottom left-hand corner here, you can access your AM, FM, and DAB radio. Internet radio as well. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do so under My Media by saving your own playlists to the car, or Bluetooth audio, where you can stream your music wirelessly. Those options are the same under the radio heading and under the media heading as well. Pairing your phone is easy. Just hit the phone button and follow the instructions on screen from there. Working our way down, we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed. And when you're happy with those settings, that's your air conditioning on. Same button to turn it off again. Or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperature that you've asked for by taking control of the fan speed and direction of the air. You can override that manually. You'll see auto has now gone off, and you can put it back on your own settings there as well. We have a 6-speed manual gearbox for the car. And then below that, we can access the parking sensors, so you can turn those on and off. We can start and stop the engine from here. We can turn off the stop and start. So this car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. And you can change the driving setup of the car. So you're able to put the vehicle into eco, normal, sport, or individual. And under individual, you can customize the settings shown on screen now. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at West Horsley Motors. We'd love to hear from you soon.